A helical bevel gearbox is a type of mechanical device that is used to transmit power and motion between shafts at an angle. It combines features of both helical and bevel gears to achieve efficient and smooth transmission of rotational power. Here are some key characteristics and features of helical bevel gearboxes. 1. Helical gears. The gear teeth are helically shaped, meaning they are cut at an angle to the gear axis. This helical design helps to minimize noise and vibration during operation, resulting in smoother and quieter gear engagement compared to straight-cut gears. 2. Bevel gears. Bevel gears are used to transmit power between shafts that are not parallel, i.e., they have intersecting axes. In a helical bevel gearbox, these gears have a conical shape, allowing them to transfer power smoothly at an angle. 3. Efficiency. Helical gears provide high efficiency in power transmission due to their inclined teeth, which results in more tooth engagement compared to straight-cut gears. The combination of helical and bevel gears in a helical bevel gearbox enhances this efficiency. 4. Versatility. Helical bevel gearboxes are versatile and can be used in various applications where the input and output shafts need to be at an angle. They are commonly employed in industrial machinery, conveyors, and other systems requiring power transmission with changing shaft directions. 5. Compact design. These gearboxes often have a compact and space-saving design, making them suitable for applications where space is limited. 6. High torque capacity. The design of helical gears allows for a higher torque capacity compared to some other gear types, making helical bevel gearboxes suitable for applications with demanding torque requirements. 7. Precision and smooth operation. The helical design contributes to the precision of the gearbox, and the bevel gears enable smooth transmission of power even when the input and output shafts are at an angle. Helical bevel gearboxes find applications in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, robotics, material handling, and automotive systems. They are chosen for their efficiency, reliability, and versatility in transmitting power between non-parallel shafts. In a palm oil mill, helical bevel gearboxes can be used in various applications to facilitate the processing of palm oil from the fruit bunches. Here are some common applications of helical bevel gearboxes in palm oil mills. Sterilizers. Sterilization is a crucial step in the palm oil extraction process to deactivate enzymes and prevent oil deterioration. Helical bevel gearboxes can be employed to drive the rotating horizontal sterilizer drums, ensuring efficient and reliable operation. Presses. The extraction of palm oil involves pressing the sterilized fruit to extract the oil. Helical bevel gearboxes can be used to drive the screw presses, providing the necessary torque and speed for effective oil extraction. Conveyors. Palm oil mills often use conveyors to transport palm fruit bunches and other materials throughout the processing plant. Helical bevel gearboxes can be installed in conveyor systems to provide the required power for moving materials efficiently. Crushers. Crushing is an essential step in palm oil milling to separate the oil-bearing cells from the rest of the fruit. Helical bevel gearboxes can be used to drive the crushers, ensuring the effective crushing of palm fruit. Digesters. Digestion is a process that involves heating the crushed palm fruit to facilitate the release of oil. Helical bevel gearboxes can be employed in the rotating digesters, providing the necessary power for the mixing and heating processes. Clarifiers and separators. After extraction, the crude oil needs to be separated from impurities. Helical bevel gearboxes can be used in the clarifiers and separators, which are essential components in the palm oil refining process. Palm oil refining. In the refining process, helical bevel gearboxes may be used in various equipment such as refining tanks, filters, and other machinery involved in the purification and processing of crude palm oil.